Today we're taking you to Strasbourg, a city that transforms into a winter wonderland every December. Nestled in the heart of Alsace, Strasbourg is renowned for its enchanting Christmas markets, historic charm, and festive spirit. La Petite France Quarter is renowned for its beautifully preserved, half-timbered houses. These buildings, with their steeply pitched roofs often decorated with flowers, create a particularly picturesque setting. The district is crisscrossed by canals, which were once essential to the neighbourhood's historical industries and now add to its scenic beauty. At the entrance to La Petite France, you'll find the Ponts Couverts, a series of 3 bridges and 4 defensive towers that once formed part of Strasbourg's medieval defences. Throughout the year, La Petite France hosts various cultural events, including art exhibitions and street performances. In December, the area becomes especially lively with Christmas decorations and market stalls. Place Dauphine, situated in the heart of Strasbourg within the modern district known as the Quartier de l'Esplanade, transforms into a public ice skating rink during December, attracting crowds from all over the city. The square is beautifully decorated with Christmas lights and festive ornaments, enhancing the holiday spirit. Throughout the month, the ice rink hosts themed skating nights, such as Disco on Ice and Christmas costume skating. Conveniently located near some of Strasbourg's famous Christmas markets, the Place Dauphine ice rink offers visitors the perfect opportunity to combine a day of market shopping with a fun session on the ice. A boat tour on the Ill River offers unparalleled views of Strasbourg's most famous landmarks. While December can be quite chilly in Strasbourg, the boats used for tours are heated, ensuring a comfortable experience even in cold weather, with some boats offering blankets for added warmth. The typical tour lasts about 70 minutes, making it a concise yet comprehensive way to see the city, perfect for tourists who want to fit multiple activities into their day. During December, the boats are often decorated with Christmas ornaments, adding to the festive feel of the tour, and some may even play holiday music to enhance the seasonal atmosphere. Winstubs are known for their cosy, intimate settings that evoke a sense of stepping back in time. These traditional Alsatian taverns are famous for dishes like choucroute garnie, a hearty plate of sauerkraut served with a variety of meats such as sausages, pork knuckles, and smoked bacon. Another favourite is tarte flambée, flambée, an Alsatian version of pizza with a thin, crispy crust topped with crème fraîche, onions, and bacon pieces, typically baked in a wood-fired oven. Breathtaking, a traditional casserole made with marinated meats, potatoes, onions, and carrots, slow-cooked in white wine. In winstubs, it's common to share long, communal tables with other diners, encouraging interaction and fostering a convivial atmosphere. And there you have it, a glimpse into the festive magic of Strasbourg in December. We hope this video has inspired you to experience the unique blend of history, culture, and winter cheer that Strasbourg has to offer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Visit outingstravel.com to book your next trip.